This is the M5 Sports Fitness Watch. It's a beauty. Really bright screen, easy to see outdoors. It's got this great layout at the top that gives you control of a lot of different things on two different screens. You've got a calendar in it, and you've got your current temperature and forecast in your local area. When you swipe this way, you get all of your fitness stuff, including indoor, outdoor runs, riding, climbing, mountain marathon, and a recording of all of your previous activities. You can see right here on the watch and transfer to the app as well. When you come over this way, wow, you got it all. You've got heart rate and blood pressure and pedometer information, those different sports modes, overall settings. We've got, and I want to show you this one, Relax, where you can go into a timed breathing exercise. That when you get quiet, take a deep breath, let it count down, and begin inhaling and exhaling along with your watch. You can go into breath training, and a lot more information related to this available as well. That's in here. All your standard stuff of alarms, sedentary reminders, altitude is in it, barometric pressure, and a compass. You've got tools for count up and count down. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Lots of different watch faces available, and all of the information related to your last fitness session is in here as well. Touch and hold, switch to any watch face you like. Brightness control can bring this puppy up. It's on 1 right now, all the way up to 5, and easy to see outdoors. Attractive overall design, nice TPU band, and available right now. It's the M5. Check it out.